Okay, we're given this equation, y is equal to 12x plus 2, and we are going to find the x-intercept, the y-intercept, and also the slope. And in fact, the y-intercept and the slope are pretty easy. We know the answers to them already. Because right here, we have this equation in the y is equal to mx plus b form, right? Namely, the slope-intercept form. So let me just write this down. We have the equation in the y is equal to mx plus b form. So we know right away the m is 12 in our case, and that will tell us the slope to this line is equal to 12. And on the other hand, b is the y-intercept. Okay, this is the y-intercept already. And we know it's equal to 2, so that's pretty much this answer right here. However, you have to remember, for the y-intercept, you should write this down as 0, 2, because the y-intercept is a point. That happens when x is equal to 0, and the y value will be 2, okay? And finally, we just have to actually work this out for the x-intercept, so let's do it right here. So as a reminder, this is how we do the x-intercept. What we are going to do is, we are going to let y equal to 0, and then solve for x. And now we can just go ahead and do that. Plugging 0 into y right here, so we will have 0 equal to 12x plus 2. X is right here, so let me just minus 2 on both sides, like this, so they cancel. And this is, 0 minus 2, which is -2, and that's equal to 12x. And right here, I can just divide both sides by 12, right? Because this is 12 times x. So let me go ahead, divide both sides by 12, so that this and that will be cancelled. And now, you know x, okay? And let me put on x first. And this is the number right here. I'll just write it down. X is equal to -2 over 12. We have to reduce this fraction. We can divide this by 2 and divide this by 2 to reduce, right? 2 divided by 2 is 1, but this is negative, so you maintain the negative. And 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So this is right here. Altogether, on the top, we have -1. And on the bottom, we have 6. So in the end, we see that x will be -1 over 6 when y is equal to 0. So that's pretty much the answer right here. X is equal to -1 over 6, and y is equal to 0. Like this. And we are done. That's it.